All right. So we do this. You carry this more than half the distance. This is the complete distance from the tip of the beak to the corner of the eye. This double, more than double. Okay, so that's the first thing. And then this overlaps into this, the body, overlaps into the head, and change direction a little bit. And then go a little bit longer. Okay, that's the second one. And then after that, the brush naturally split. And then if it's not naturally split, split it. And then overlap still and kick it up. And that is the extension to link to the tail. Okay, and then you will have this. Press, let go. And you will have this. Press, let go. Whatever happens, happens. This is heavier, that's skinnier. And now you will have the brush split open and dark. This can be slightly wet. Okay. And then you do the stroke close to us first and bigger. So on the tail, this is bigger, this is smaller. And here, we line with this line. Go out, come back. One, oh, that's a good one. You say this to yourself every now and then. Huh? Okay, and then that, just a couple. So that is your line, your shape. And then all you need is loading some lighter medium, and then after load, you make sure it dry the brush. So it even gives kind of a texture quality. Okay, so this underneath brings it, and then carry it over, and then a couple little dots to continue. So that.
So cute.
We'll do the bird.